Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I'm back here with another video of my web development series. In this lecture we will see how to use IDs to our HTML codes. We'll use ID to design or style our HTML codes. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, I'll write the basic structure and say suppose we have a simple h1 tag, maybe h4 tag. This is id class. Okay, so this is id class. This is our h4 tag, and this time we will be using id to style our h4 tag. So we'll write here id, and you can give it any id name you want. I'll be giving text. Okay, so this is our id, and we'll be style this id inside of our head tag, and we'll write our style here. Inside this we'll write our style tag, our style tags codes. So how do we target id? To target a class we use dot. To target id we will use hash. So hash id name, hash id name, then second bracket. So this is we have targeted our id. Now say suppose we want to change the color, we can color it, suppose color it green. Save. We can see that it's yellow green. We can change the font size. We can change the font size here. Font size will be 22 pixel. Save. How about 44 pixel? Save. So this is 44 pixel. How about we want to align it center? So text align to center and save. So this is how we can target a specific tag, a specific element using our id. So in our class lecture we saw that we can use several classes for a single tag, but we cannot use several id for a single tag, because ids are what we cannot use multiple id name for a single uh, tag, because ids are unique. So ids are unique. So suppose we write here head, and we want to use head here. We cannot use head. We will see that if we make a text align center and remove this one, and if we save this, we can see that the whole id is not working, because we have used multiple of id. That's why it's not working. If we save this, we can see that it's working. So ids and class both are like the same. We are doing the same style thing using id and classes. So why do we need both of them, both id and class? Okay, so let me see. So suppose I have another h4 tag, and inside here, so this is our new line. Save it. Okay, and let me give this one a class. So we have a class here. So class, maybe I will give it head 4. Sorry, I will give it text and I will give it head 4. Again I will give it the same class text, and I will give it a different id this time because ids cannot be the same, ids are unique. I will give it, okay, head 2. Okay, I will give it head 2. You can give it head 4, no problem. I'll give it head 2, and this is head 4, or head 1, head 2. Okay, let me save this. Look, now the both are here. Now suppose we want to style something here. So style something here. Now we have a class. So how do we target a class? Dot text. So we have two text file here. So both are text, so we can target both of them at the same time, and we can change the color to, okay, green. Change the color to green yellow. Okay, so if I save this, you can see the both of them are in same color. Say suppose I want to change the both of their weight the same, both of their text size same. So font size maybe 44 pixel. Okay, so we have 44. Now say suppose I want to move this one to the right side and this one to the left side. So how do we do that? Now we will use our id. We will use our id. So what is the id for this? The id for this is head 2. So we will use here head 2. Then we can do text align. So text align will be right. So text align right. Save this. You can see that this one has changed to right side and this one is in the left side. So how about we have another line? We have another line of code here. So this must be h2 tag, and we have this is middle text. Okay, so how about uh, we want to we want to change it different, so we can give it a different class. This class maybe text2. Okay, I'll give a id. Ids are unique, so you need to give it a unique id. So unique id will be head 3. Okay, so let me save this. We can see our middle text here. Now we have this one here. Now we can target another one. So another one is our text 2. What we can do, we want to change the color to red. Okay, we want to change the font size to 22 pixel, and save this. We can see all are changed. How about we want to change a specific that? So we can specify the id. So the id is head 3. So id is head 3. Now we want to make it middle. So text align. So text align to center, not middle, center. So you can see this is at the center, this is at the left, this is at the right. So this is why we need both id and class at the same time, because when we have same kind of when we develop a website, we can see that there are a lot of paragraph tags. So we want all them to have the same color inside of our website. If we have black, red, blue, that will look ridiculous. So we need the same color, so we can give them same id or the same class. So this is how we can use both id and classes to our html tag. And this was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.